Welcome back to Jawad 786. Before proceeding to our video, first of all, kindly subscribe my channel and hit a like button and don't forget to comment down. This is the course of Shopify dropshipping, and this is the specific course designed for only those people who are interested to start their business as a dropshipping. To do dropshipping, you need to be aware from basic to the advanced level that how this work is carried on or started. And many of DM question I'm getting in my DMs that how we can create a store and how we can start our work as a drop shipper. So today I am going to create some awareness regarding Shopify, that how we can start our dropshipping model business using Shopify. So first of all, I have designed a basic course outline for you to get you aware that how we can start working as a dropshipper. So this is not detail, it's going to be very basic. So it's basically designed for the beginners to get awareness that how they can start earning from their ease of their homes or anywhere in the world. So first, we will be discussing about topic one, which is getting started with Shopify. Define Shopify, Shopify site store, create a Shopify account, how you can create account, enable two-factor authentication, which is very important for each and important website to utilize this option in the security means. So first we will define Shopify. Let me take you to the website. Okay, what is Shopify? You can start selling with Shopify anytime from any place in the world. Just you need internet and a laptop or a mobile. So you have to stay connected to after starting the business as a drop shipping on a Shopify. Well, Shopify, what is Shopify? Shopify is a third party. You basically you are creating a store on Shopify and including this store or attaching this store, or you can say the showing this store on your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It can be LinkedIn or it can be Twitter, which is X. So you can attach your store, or you can synchronize this store on your social media platform and start this business as a drop shipping, or you can start working solely on Shopify, creating an online store. So this is a website. You can join Shopify for $1 per month for 3 months as a beginner. So you are new to the Shopify. Obviously, there will be zero sales. Then you can start for 3 months only in $1. You can use the referral of my I will be mentioning in description, or you can also create on your own, and for $1 it will be till 3 months, okay, and get $50 to use in the Shopify App Store. Start your free trial. By clicking on start your free trial, you will be starting the $1 per month package, which will run approximately 3 months. After 3 months, Shopify will charge you, which is basic package. I will be showing you later on. So start free trial. You will click here and your package will start. So basically, first I have defined Shopify for you. That what is its basic definition. Okay, now second is the Shopify site store. Now this is the website I have opened for you to show you that how the Shopify sites look. Not different from the so much different from the WordPress developed website. It is a very basic. You are required very less time. Within less time, you can create your store on Shopify. But if you are creating a website, proper WordPress website, you need a time to create that website. Shopify. This might be an advantage on creating a store on the third party with Shopify. Okay, these are the clothing and fashion stores. First, here Denim Co. Okay, let me show you how these stores are designed. Look, do one thing well is the man heading, or you can say their title, and this is the company name. And look this website, how you are scrolling and the images are changing according to the sidebar. Okay, this is the main heading and the definition of their product and delivery. This is basically the dressing clothing shop. Look at this, is an amazing design. You can also include the blogging tab in your online store, designing on Shopify, and in the end you can add newsletter like this for subscription. And look at this is to included to develop trust between e-commerce software by Shopify. Look, if you are finding this word, then this website is solely designed on the Shopify. It will be mentioned down somewhere on your online store. If you want to remove this word, you can also, but you need to buy the different themes. Later on I will be defining this in detail. So basically this is the first store, and so on. You can see the second is Naja store, Kittens, or let me show you another store, Good Fair, Karen Finch, Roth. Okay, swimwear. Now this is completely different. You can see here home option, fit guide, FAQs, sustainability, and this is the best way to utilize USD. The payment method. If any person visiting from United States, Turkey, or any other country, he can convert this currency. This is basically the conversion. You can do it, or your client or visitor can simply apply. And these are the basically the same suits, and he has or the website online seller have defined each with their prices. Best sellers, this is the best way to create awareness there how we are selling the products, and which are categorized in sequentially. And you can see how well the store is organized. And in the end you can see here provides some options for on shop, and it is powered by Shopify. So this is basically all store design on Shopify. These are further you can see right on a Google and go in detail and watch their store and how they are working hard and designing different complex and easy and simple themes. Okay, this is basically our second topic. So topic 1 and the second point, Shopify site store. Create a Shopify account. Now how you can create a Shopify account? Let me show you. You will simply click on start free trial. It will take you to the creating process. Okay, let's get started. Which of these best describes you? You can skip this point and click on next. Okay, I'm just starting. As a beginner, you will click on I'm just starting. I'm already selling online or in person, then you will click on this option. For example, this video is solely for the beginners, so I will click on I'm just starting and click on next. Now where would you like to sell? Online store, in person, in existing website or blogs, social media. Obviously you are going to sell on social media, then click this and click on next. Why do you plan to sell first? Products. I make myself dropshipping products. Obviously we are working on dropshipping products, then click on this and click on next. Now where will your business be located? You will simply select your desired location and click on next. For right now I don't want to create a store, so you will click on skip all and your store will be created. Let me show you a demo of my store which is created by me to show you that how you can create your own store. Basically, this is a Shopify store created by me to show you a sample. Its name is j.k digital, and it's a store I will show you later on. You can click on this, all the stores, the store you are operating, which will be listed here, and help center, change log, community forum, hire a Shopify expert. You can hire a Shopify expert to get familiar, or if you are stuck somewhere, you can get help as soon as possible to utilize this option. And this is for my account, sample account, to show you manage your account and log out. These are the simple basic options. Whether let me show you. Okay, this is creating account is very easy. You will simply follow those steps which I have shown you here. Okay, you can click on skip all, then it will take to your location, then click next. You will be get started with the simple process. It's not complex, it's easy to design. Okay, that's why I'm not going into detail. Now these are the options in site tabs: home, order, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, online store, discounts in which you can include discount to on your website, online store, themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, preferences, point of sale, POS, inbox, app, application which you want to add, and these are the settings you will click, and we will be later discussing about that. For Okay, enable two-factor authentication. How to After creating your complete store and starting with it, you have to create your security very strong. For example, I click on settings. Okay, you will go in. Let me see. This is the store details. Okay, and plan, billing, or users and permissions, payments. Okay, this is my ownership, like customer account, shipping and delivery, locations, market, brand, notification, custom data, language, policies. Okay, policies. These are the basic policies mentioned on in store details. Okay, let me show you how you can include the security settings. Yeah, click on security. You can create pass keys or create password. Secondly, email, two-step authentication. Now basically this is the turn on two-step authentication. You will simply click on turn on two-step authentication. I have showed you step. You can rewind in the video and see how you can follow this. Okay, you will go in security, click on turn on two-step authentication, which is very important for your store. Before getting started, and devices logged in. So these are the security details. Okay, I will go back, close this. Okay, this is the main Shopify and the options to utilize in different tabs. Okay, basically I will click on view your store, and this is a sample store which I have designed for you to see. I will show you later when we will be moving on the other topics. This was a basic topic in which I have told you about Shopify basic definition, how and why to use Shopify, and the Shopify site store. I have shown you some sites that how you can design. Yeah, let me show you mine one, that how you can design this site on Shopify. See, this is the design. This is an optimum theme. You can say the paid theme. I have bought and designed it as a sample j.k digital product. You can show and according to the price and in the newsletter, and see I have removed the powered by Shopify and I have mentioned that j.k digital, this store is powered by j.k digital shop. So this is the basically design of my store, and basically this was the main topic one. Getting started with Shopify. Simply you can start with online selling with Shopify today and create your amazing stores and start working on this. Later on we will be discussing about further about topics. likewise setting up product, how to set products, and we will discussing more topic in detail. So before leaving, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, share, and mention if you have any query related to this Shopify. You can mention in comment. And our team, J.K Digital, is a brand, is a team which is expert and professional in designing stores. So you can DM anytime to get query. If you are stuck somewhere, you can also message us, and we will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thank you for your precious time. Keep and stay connected to follow our Shopify dropshipping course. Thank you so much.